So this is one of the projects we're taking care of today, basically reorganizing our in-ear system. These are the 2 racks currently. I'll go through it in greater detail after they're all organized, but I wanted to show everybody kind of like the before. And once we get things redone, I'll go over that and talk about why we did what we did and all that good stuff. See you soon. So things are going pretty good. We have the original main unit. We took out the split snake, basically rearranging where we want each rack item. We're going to pull over the transmitters, IEM transmitters next, as well as the antenna for those. And this is what we did with the split snake. We did put it, like I said, in its own rack on casters, on wheels, which is nice. So we can, as you can see, we can coil up the 2 tails. It's a, I believe it's a 10-foot tail or 5-foot tail for the, which is the short one, and then 30-foot tail, the front of house stage box. So we're getting there. All right, so we have the 2 racks set up with the new arrangement, how we're putting things. I'll run it through real quick what's what. So from stage, we all go into the 32-channel split snake on the bottom here. Out the back of that, we have 2 tails. We have either a 5 or 10-foot tail that goes to our in-ear system, and we have a 30-foot tail that goes for front of house. The shorter 5 or 10-foot tail comes into the DL32 stage box here, and that's interfacing with the Midas M32C, which is what we use for our in-ear mixer. We have 4 Phoenix Pro, I think they're PTM 10s in-ear units. Those are for John, myself, Mike, and Ron, and Russ uses a wired setup. Top here we have a Shure vocal mic wireless unit, the antennas for the Phoenix, and then up top is just a standard power unit. So that part's done. The next fun part is getting it all wired up. Let's do that next. All right, it's all wired back up again. We got everything in place. And now what we're going to do is, on the software end, we're going to go in and basically rearrange all the input channels to match what we're going to be sending to Chris at front of house. So that is the next step here. Be back soon. All right, so we're all set. We just finished, went through ahead and reorganized all the channels in the in-ear system, so it's going to line up perfectly with front of house. So it just saves one less level of possible confusion. So that's all good to go. Rack's all good. Tested out things. So everything seems to be working okay. We'll find out tomorrow with our next rehearsal in the morning. Then we have tech rehearsal with Chris next week, one evening. And then we have the show Saturday night. So, or Friday night. Thank you. Friday night, the 7th. We'll see you there. Bye.